Pilots from the 108th Territorial Defense Brigade successfully used an FPV drone to destroy a Russian Strela-10 anti-aircraft missile system. Korn Group shares another video of a Ukrainian vehicle column moving inside Russia, observed by Korn's drones. They say up to 2 battalions are taking part in this incursion. 2 of the most modest assault battalions of the Ukrainian armed forces, accompanied by the not-so-modest U.S. Korn Group, are carrying out a double penetration of Russia and the army of the Russian Federation, a hole-riddled state with hole-riddled borders. The pinnacle of military art and maneuver warfare, the Ukrainian version of Operation Bagration. Russians confirm the opening of another pocket in the Glushkovo district of Kursk Oblast, much closer to Glushkovo, although the front line is not stable here, as they claim. Kursk direction at 10 o'clock, 14 September 2024, updating the situation. Counterattack by the Ukrainian armed forces. Unfortunately, this morning the information was confirmed. I specifically asked the guys on the ground for the latest information, that the enemy's attempt to break through south of Glushkovo is developing. At present, the Ukrainian armed forces have under their control the village of Veselo, still unstable, but they are already there. Their bridgehead is approximately the same as on the map. I repeat, this is not a zone of their stable control, but places where they are present at least in the form of flying squads. Our reserves have been urgently deployed to the site. A counter-battle is underway. I continue to closely monitor the situation, keep our fingers crossed and pray for the guys. P.S. I think it is already clear that there will be no further offensive from our side today. The lion's share of the seriously wounded on the battlefield die before hospitalization. They do nothing. Morons, bastards, thieves. Angry Russian patriot Yuriyevich shares about the catastrophic state of tactical medicine in Russia, due to which many wounded people do not even make it to hospitals. He blames the Russian Ministry of Defense and everyone who is responsible for this.
Я скажу по тактической медицине. Медицине поля боя. Львиная доля тяжелораненых умирает до госпиталя. Если человек до госпиталя дожил, чаще всего он бы и так жил еще достаточно долго. А на поле боя нужна первая помощь. Мы говорили 10 лет, начиная с 2014 года, с войны на Донбассе, что у нас ни хрена не делается. Куча должностных чиновников из Министерства обороны, из всяких других ведомств говорили, что типа тактическая медицина лженаука, ни хрена не надо. За несколько лет до войны был приказ от президента развивать тактическую медицину. Бюджеты были выделены, не было сделано ни хрена. Началась война. Уже была, мы предлагали готовую, апробированную на куче войн нашу методику подготовки. Никто не захотел внедрять из военно-медицинской академии. Бесплатно предлагали. Падлы, твари, воры, мерзавцы. Вы сами делать не умеете. Просто возьмите готовое. Но не захотели ни хрена брать.
Ukrainian FPV drone discovered and hit a carefully hidden buggy, causing it to combust violently. Kharkiv direction. Ukrainian unmanned systems forces destroy a Russian electronic warfare station and vehicles. Russian propagandist Skabayeva is outraged over Turkish President Recep Erdogan's words that Crimea is Ukraine.
Удивил Эрдоган, который, как известно, подал заявку на вступление в БРИКС. И перед поездкой на саммит в Казань зачем-то выступил перед участниками сходки по видеосвязи. Заявил, что Крым — это Украина, и полуостров надо спасать. Тут стоит заметить, что прямо сейчас Эрдоган занимается спасением Ближнего Востока и сектора Газа. И, как вы понимаете, не очень в этом преуспевает. Самому Эрдогану пора бы, наверное, определиться, с кем он — Западом, Востоком, глобальным Югом, с Зеленским.
Ukrainian offensive in Kursk and capturing almost 1,000 Russian soldiers speed up the exchange of prisoners with Russia. This man fought for the freedom of Ukraine. He was imprisoned for defending his country after months of deprivation, imprisoned, humiliated, starved, probably tortured. Look at him holding his flag. So moving. And for the end, dramatic video captures the moment a train plows into a tractor trailer carrying an armored vehicle in South Carolina. The powerful impact happened in Goose Creek as the tractor trailer was crossing the tracks before it was left helpless as a train barreled forward. Seconds later, the train smashed into the trailer, sending debris flying. The collision forced both major roads to close temporarily. So far, no injuries have been reported.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.